welcome back. It's your girl Tasha and I'm in Walmart. I'm not in the hygiene section right now because I know when I go in there usually it's just really crazy, it's really busy. Don't mind my hair right now, it's totally dry because I just decided to put no products on it right now. Sometimes I just like to let my hair breathe, so you know, I wasn't trying to do too much to it. You know, part of my hair growth journey is to not put too much product in my hair. But anyways, I'm gonna head over to the hygiene aisle. I just walked in and I seen this, the sunlight already on sale for $11.97, so I picked that up. I also need a couple, what do I need? I need hygiene products. I need a couple of, well, a few things and cleaning supplies to do some laundry. It's just that time as usual. My hair does look a bit crazy, guys, don't mind it. But yeah, let me head over to the hygiene aisle. I do need a lot of soap and ting, so yeah, it's been a while. But first, if you haven't already and you made it this far in the video, a couple seconds already, make sure to subscribe, support the channel, y'all. It's summer, I'm so excited. Just the vibe is just different. I haven't been filming for the past couple of days. I feel like so close. I haven't been filming for the past couple of days because I just been not feeling the greatest, but I realized that I need some sunshine. I need some, you know, better weather. So we did have some last week, but then it got cold again. So I seen a hot day today, so I'm like, let me take y'all out hygiene shopping with me and just budget shopping in general. I'm not sure if I'm gonna head over to there's like a Home Sense nearby, and I wanted to see if they had some kitchen things, but I'm like on a serious budget, guys. Like, your girl is on a budget like no other, and that's because I have a lot of goals, and in order to do that I need to budget my money way better than I have budgeted in the past. Not that I haven't been good at it, but I haven't been the best, but I'm working towards it. The kids and everybody's here today. They went looking for a recorder. My daughter needs that for class, but we will probably see them soon. But yeah, mommy's just doing some of her own thing right now. This cart is like very loud, so yeah, I'll see you guys in the hygiene. Okay, so I'm in the aisle with the body wash. You guys, I know what I want, but at the same time right now I'm on, oh, I was like, I don't think I can get the Olay, but they have some on sale for $8.97, so I might be able to squeeze it in. Which one I want to buy? They have the Olay. This camera is being rude camera. Hold on, I want you guys to see it. I don't know what scent this is, but oh, this bottle is mashup. Hold on. Okay guys, so I'm gonna stick to my budget here and get something that I love, that is affordable. I do love the Dial body washes. They have the lavender jasmine. I feel like they changed the packaging of these. It's more squarish around the sides. They have, yeah, it is different. The spring water. I think I'm gonna get this one. I think this is the one that I tried that I thought it smelled actually really good. I also needed some bar soap. Okay, so this is probably a little bit better. I hope the glare is not crazy. Okay, so I want to show you guys. I think I want like more of an original. Oh, they have some rollbacks. Okay, this one is a rollback right now. It is the Dove. You guys can see it right with this camera. It's the Dove coconut and cocoa butter there, and it's on a rollback for $6.88. They also have St. Ives right now for $3.97. And this ain't probably gonna be the price when you go into Walmart, because it does take a while for me to upload these videos, so the prices are subjected to change, guys. But Walmart usually has a lot of rollback prices. They also have the Live Clean for $5.97 right now. which is pretty awesome. What else? I don't know what I want to choose. I know I gotta stick within my budget right now. You guys, I can't decide. It's like I'm trying to do the math in my head at the same time. They have some Dove soap here on rollback, but it's so scattered, the pricing, that I don't know what is what price. So I gotta take a minute to read these. Okay guys, I was doing some thinking. I thought I was gonna get some bar soap, but I have some bar soap already at home, like a few, so I'm gonna get 2 body washes today. So I really wanted to get this coconut cocoa butter body wash. Let me smell it. Smells so good, so I want to get this. It kind of smells like this coconut coffee one that I've showed you guys on my channel before. I haven't bought it in a while, but this one isn't on sale, so I'm gonna buy the one that's on sale. You always try to buy the one that's on sale, especially if it kind of smells the same. And I know Dove works very good, so yeah, Dove works very good. So I just moved the camera back a bit. So Walmart. So they also have the Irish Spring. You guys, I love Irish Spring. I'm gonna check the price on these because today the pricing in Walmart is crazy, but I think that they change a lot of prices on Fridays, so it's just, everything is just everywhere. I love Irish Spring. This is something I love to use in the summertime because I feel like it just makes my skin just feel extra clean, especially if you're not trying to do as many steps. I feel like Irish Spring works extremely good. I'm gonna get out of this aisle. I feel like it's getting pretty crowded, so I'm gonna go somewhere else. Okay guys, so I'm gonna head over to get some lotion. The thing about this Walmart, like, things are just all over the place. You'll have like body wash all the way over here, and like down in the Netherlands it's like a whole bunch of other things. Every Walmart is set up different. Anywho, yeah, I do need some lotion and stuff for my face, so let's go see what they have on sale. You guys, Jergens is on sale. I think I might switch the one that I use. I usually pick up the original cherry almond. I love this scent. It's such a retro scent to me. Like, it's just been good from time. But I think I'm gonna try another scent. Maybe this hydrating coconut. So, you know, I love coconut, so it must be okay. So I desperately needed this stuff. I ran out of it. Sometimes I come, I'm like, which one do I normally buy? And I think it's this one because they all look the same. As long as it's the, oh no, it's not this one. This is like a gel press serum. I use this one, I believe. Yeah, this is the Hydra Boost face cream. I haven't had this in a while, so I feel like that's why my face is just not looking up to par. And this is like probably one of the most expensive things I'm gonna buy today. I've been using these serum glow drops right here. It's like a glow drops. It actually is really good. I have a bit left. I'm glad I don't have to buy it today. It's $27.97. I mean, that's a lot, but I like it so far. It just gives my face like an extra moisture boost type shine and glow going on. So I will be picking this up very soon, maybe in my next haul. It's just that I can't spend so much on, you know, a few products at one time, at least in my life right now where I'm trying to save. But yeah, this stuff works very good. So I needed to get some toothpaste. They have this Optic White toothpaste that I was gonna get, and I also needed to get some for the kids as well. That stuff is just way too harsh, and they have some kids ones on sale for $1.47, so you know that seems about right. I just gotta pick, what do I feel like royal life. I'll probably just get these Barbie ones right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna head over to the aisle where I can get some laundry detergent and some fabric softener and all of that jazz. Okay, so I'm in the aisle with the dishwash detergent. I love me some Palm Olive. Palm Olive does the job right, but the one that I feel like works the best is this OxyClean one right here. They also have this revitalizing passion fruit. I don't know if I should try this. You know, I like to try to see what I'm missing out on. So you know what? I always buy this one. I know it works well. So regardless, I'll come back to it if this stuff doesn't work out well. But the only reason why I'm always scared to try is because I realize with the regular palm olive, the ones that I buy from the dollar store, they're just so liquidy. Sorry guys, I came here late today, so everything is just loud. It's so liquidy that it just runs out of the container so fast into the dish soap, and it just gets everywhere. I don't know, I just don't feel like I'm getting the same effect that I do with the OxyClean one, so that's why I like that one. Okay, so I got some cleaning products on here for sale. This is 50% more cleaner, so this is such a bigger container than it usually comes in. This is the Comet with bleach. It's $1.37, and this I can use to clean like the bathroom floors and all of that. Okay, we are in the tissue aisle, one of the most expensive aisles. Me buying toilet paper is just so expensive sometimes, but I see that they have some on sale. They have the big pack for $11.97 today, so that is awesome. They have this pack, so this one has 30 in there and it equals to 62, and this one's also $11.77, but it has 24 rolls. But some of them are 2-ply and some are 3. They're both 2-ply. It says this one is softer and velvety and stronger, but this is soft enough to me, like as long as it ain't rough, so you know I'm gonna get more for my money right now, especially if they're almost the same. Okay guys, so I'm totally wrong. It's the 24 pack, so the same thing. So this pack is the 24 pack, and it's the same as the other one that it says it's a little softer, so I'll just buy the other one. The one I was just showing you was actually $23.97. It's not on sale, so I knew that was too good to be true. I would have went up to the register and been like, what do you mean, the sign is there? But like I said, I have to be reading it a lot today because it's just so all over the place. It's a good thing I did read. Sorry, there's someone's kid that is screaming. I thought it was Royal screaming. I ran to check, but it was not her. So yeah, $11.97. Unless I see something cheaper on the way down, we're gonna stick with this one. If it's one thing that brings your laundry game up 1,000 is having some good Downy up in there, or just some good fabric softener. Is this called fabric softener? Yeah, fabric conditioner. This stuff just makes your laundry smell so much better. So if you're just using laundry detergent, adding this stuff, it actually does matter. And I love this one. It smells super, super good. Oh my gosh guys, but this one is on sale. You get 2 for $9. But the one I have is a big bottle. So this one says 1.36 liters. How much is this? This says 2.68. So it's about this. I mean, it's not a drastic difference. If I'm doing this math off, guys, I don't mean to, but to me, I feel like this is still worth it. Plus, I like this one much better. That one's, they all smell good. They all smell pretty good. But because I use that one a lot, I noticed that's the one that I like my clothes smelling. Okay, guys, so it's summertime. I love to stock up on these in the summer because you could use them, you know, in your bathroom. You could take them with you on the road. They have the unscented ones as well as the scented ones. I think I'll get the scented one today since the weather's changing and it just might come in handy. Hey, Ro. Oh.
It's your channel.
Huh?
It's your channel.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome to my channel.
Miss Shia over here. Oh, you said hi today. Oh my gosh. You guys, Kylie doesn't like the camera that much, so that's why you be seeing Royal more times. Royal loves the camera, so. But this one, she's Miss Shy like me.
Yeah, 15. Too much for one table.
Almost.
How much is it?
106, 21. But I stayed within my budget, guys. I was trying not to go over 100, but the kids added some snacks. Hey guys, so Walmart's done taking all my money. I'm gonna go now. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Until next time, bye guys.
Over there, Holly.